guys, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld Media. Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell your digital products on Squarespace. Hey, as a YouTuber or podcaster or content creator, have you thought about how to make money directly through digital downloads? For example, it can be an image or a PDF or a toolkit, whatever it may be. Yes, you can make money and own a piece of your content. That means even if you want to give away 99% of what you do and what you know, you can still charge the remaining 1%, and your audience will appreciate you. And the money you make from your digital products, you can easily reinvest that into doing more of what you do. Be a content creator. By the way, if you're into this type of topic, be sure to hit subscribe. I want to dive deep into how to come up with products, how to sell them, how to create tutorials, how to create different memberships and pricing tiers and all that jazz. Speaking of which, there's a powerful tool out there today called Ribbon. Ribbon is everything you need to host experiences, live, on demand, courses, and memberships. Ribbon has a native CRM built in for you to manage your customers. It also has powerful analytics for you to truly understand what works. And Ribbon integrates with Squarespace seamlessly, including your branded colors. Check out Ribbon with our link below and also in the description. Back to today's video. First, I want to talk briefly about how to sell products people want to buy. In addition to market research and validation, you actually want to pay attention to what people are seeking out. Perhaps you're in a Zoom meeting with other participants, and all of a sudden, someone pulls out a trick. Perhaps that's a timer or something they've been using. So you want to know that down, especially if other people from the same meeting are reacting very curiously, and that could be a really good opportunity. Look, products that sell do not have to be complicated. That was the biggest mistake I made over the years. I always wanted to create products that impressed me, that are sophisticated, that I can prove to the world that it's something I can do and nobody else can. But turns out products that sell can be very, very simple. This tutorial and this example, I want to focus on non-physical products, meaning digital downloads. Think about an image, a PDF, a design, or a toolkit, or a zip file that you want to sell. Squarespace makes it so simple for anyone to create a website within 15 to 20 minutes. And you can fine-tune it as you go along. Going inside Squarespace, all I have to do is to create a store. I can name it however I want. From there, I can simply add digital products. Remember, you can add anything that is digital, an image, a PDF. You can give it a name, you can list a price for it, and you can change that price at any time and even make it go on sale. Now you just go ahead and upload the file. And here I'm going to use a simple image. For you, it can be a PDF, it can be a zip file, it can be a short video too. Then you just hit save and publish. You are done. Of course, you can give it a really appealing thumbnail. From the product page, you can add it to the cart. And from cart, you can just hit checkout. And there you go. For someone to make a purchase, that person will have to enter their email. They can even choose to subscribe to your mailing list and then enter their credit card information or PayPal. But what if you need something much more sophisticated, such as hosting live events, private events, or having content on demand, such as video courses, memberships that people can pay for, packs, monthly, yearly subscriptions, sophisticated customer lists, cancellation policy, deep analytics and insights, reports, last but not least, Zoom integrations as well? Well, Ribbon is one of those tools that can help you achieve just that. Be sure to check out the forever free version for yourself, link in description below. Next is about communicating your product. It's not about creating the perfect product or having the best looking webpage out there. Instead, communication is about empathy. Think about the questions you can ask as a customer. How will this serve me? What kind of pain points will it help me remove? How can it empower me? What if it doesn't work? If there are technical limitations, as there usually always are, you want to point that out. For example, Feisworld Zoom timers will not work on certain machines that are old. Always in my tutorials, in my promo videos, as well as on the landing page of the products, I always want to make sure that I include a third-party link. That's right. So Zoom's technical limitations when it comes to virtual timers. Depending on your audience, maybe different age, maybe different experiences, think about the types of tutorials you can create addressing to different audiences you have. Lastly, how can you make your digital products into an offer other people cannot refuse?
Too late, they start shooting in a week. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Next is about marketing. Now, if you're a YouTuber, come on, there's a lot you can do on YouTube. Because when I created a promo video for my Zoom timers, I'll show you a few examples right here. Each one of those videos got picked up and some of them received over 10,000 views. From these organic YouTube videos alone, I was able to drive a lot of authority to my landing pages. People are making purchases. You can use YouTube videos very creatively. You can use it for a tutorial. You can use it to launch new products, meaning different variations of a similar products, for example. You can communicate and answer questions directly interacting with your customers through the comments section. And sometimes what I do is there's a newer version or newer video I created. I'll be sure to add a comment to my original video, pin it as well. If you're not a YouTuber but a podcaster, well, you got your platform there as well. Or if you're a blogger, don't forget your blog, your newsletter, your social media channels. Last but not least, don't forget paid ads. I haven't had to run a ton of paid ads on my videos or my products, but it's something I'm in the middle of exploring. I've done a lot of Facebook ads and also YouTube ads for my clients, and I'm really excited to put those knowledge into good use, especially coming up. I have a new product launching this year called YouTuberKit.com. You can actually learn more right now in the description below. And I will have to really leverage ads or paid ads to drive traffic towards that landing page. More to come on that later. Hey guys, I really hope you find this video helpful. Again, I'm a creator just like yourself. I really believe that we can create our own platform and own our content. Once you're able to monetize your content, then you're able to reinvest that money back into your business and do more with it. If you like this type of content, please consider sharing with one more person, and that will really help us spread the word. Hit subscribe and a notification bell, and I can't wait to see you in a future video. Bye!